Hello students, this is your teacher Amia. I know that very often students get confused while doing conversions in the metric system. This video will help you to do your conversions easily. First of all, learn this funny phrase. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. This phrase will help you to remember the metric system in order, as King stands for kilo, Henry for hectare, died for deca, drinking for deci, chocolate for centi, and milk stands for milli. So what does by stand for? By stands for the base unit in the metric system, which can be meter, liter, or gram.
Now let us try to solve some examples. Example 1. 3.50 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Let us first recall the funny phrase and write only the first letter of each word in the phrase. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. The base unit here is meter, so I will cut B and write meter. Now I have to convert kilometer to meter, so I will move from K to meter. And since I'm moving forward, I will write 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps forward. So I have moved 3 steps forward, and I'm going to do the same in my answer. I will write the original number as it is. That is 350. And now I will move my decimal place from here 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps forward. Now if you notice, there isn't a third digit here or a third place. So I will write 0 in the empty space. So 3.50 kilometer is equal to 3,500 meter. Example 2. 2 gram is equal to dash centigram. Since my base unit is gram, I will cut B and I write the base unit here. Now I have to move from gram to centigram, which is here. So I need to take 1 step and the second step to reach centigram. So I will write the original number as it is in my answer. Now since there is no decimal place here, we assume that the decimal place is at the end of the number. So it's here. So we need to move 1 and 2 places forward. And I will add 0 in the empty spaces. So my answer is 200 centigram. Let us look at example 3. 4 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter. Since the base unit is meter, I will cut B and I will write meter. Now, millimeter is at the end here and centimeter is here to the left of millimeter. So that means I have to move backwards in order to move from millimeter to centimeter. Remember that when you're moving backwards, try to write the jumps below the phrase. Now, in my answer as well, I will write the original given number as it is. Since there's no decimal place, I have to assume that the decimal place is at the end of the number here. And I will move it backwards, just like I moved here backwards. So, one step backwards. So, the decimal place moves from the back of the number one step backwards here. So, my answer is 4 millimeter is equal to 0.4 centimeter. Remember to write the 0 in front of the decimal place when there is no number before it. Let's look at example 4. 12.25 liter is equal to dash kiloliter. Since the base unit is liter, I will cut B and write liter. Again, you will notice that I have to move from liter to kiloliter. That means I'm moving backwards. In other words, I'm going backwards or to the left hand side. So I move one place, 2 places and 3 places backward. I will write the given number as it is. That's 1, 2, 2, 5. And I will move the decimal place which is between both the 2's 3 steps backwards. That's 1, 2 and 3rd place. However, I do not have a 3rd place here. So, what will I do? I will add a 0 and then I will put my decimal point there. So, my answer will be 0.01225 kiloliter. So 12.25 liter is equal to 0.01225 kiloliter. So students, please practice some more examples of this. Thank you.